The dryer unfortunately had some chewing gum and some clothes that were dried, and now it's all over the inside of the dryer here. So this is the quick way to clean gum out of a dryer, is a little bit of WD-40 squirted on a cloth. And let's see if we can do this with one hand. But just squirt a little patch of WD-40 onto a cloth and just start rubbing it onto the chewing gum. And WD-40 is a solvent, so it should dissolve this gum pretty quick. We'll just work on this big heavy spot here. You just let it kind of soak in and then go back over the spots over and over again. This is a pretty thick spot here. You can see it's just coming right off with the WD-40. Now to clean the WD-40 out, you can just take a cloth with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it and just go lightly rub everything in the dryer down. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty much spotless in here now. It's as clean as it's gonna get. So to get that kind of little bit of a WD-40 residue out of here now, I'm going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a cloth. Now these are both flammable substances, so it's very important that you let your dryer air out at least an hour or two before you use it after cleaning it. Because you don't want to blow your house up either. I mean, not a good idea, but just make sure you leave your dryer door open and let it air out. The rubbing alcohol evaporates pretty quick, but you still just want it to all air out of the air in here. I didn't use a whole lot of rubbing alcohol there, just a little drop, and that should remove pretty much all of the WD-40 from the inside here. So anyways, hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you liked the video, if it helped you out.